Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is amend a contract. So once if you launch your playground, click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. And now in a global search, I'm just going to search for client mana. So once if you get it from account, just click on it. And here go to related tab. And if you scroll down, you will find contracts. Just click on the blue highlighted number which is available right over here. And now click on edit. So here for amendment start date, we are just going to change it. So for that, let's scroll down. So which is right over here. And we are gonna give July 1st. Of next year. So just change this here. So once if it is done, click on save. And now click on amend, which is available right over on right side. And now again click on amend. And now for this offsite video storage, we are just going to change this quantity as 5. So once if it is done, click on calculate and now click on save. So now click on edit and here scroll down and check this order checkbox and now click on save. So guys, here let's go to our related tab, and if you scroll down you will find orders. I'm just going to click this number which is available on order and now click on activate followed by activate. So once if it is done, click on edit and here scroll down and check this contracted checkbox followed by save. And now refresh the tab. And guys, now in contract list, I'm just again going to click on this blue highlighted number and here go to related tab and choose home security renewal by clicking on this view all under subscription. So if it is not there, click back once. So here if you scroll down, you will find this renewal opportunity. So under this home security renewal will be there, just click on it. So here you will find the reflection stating the quantity as 5. So this is all about this part, and now let's search for client in our global search. And once if you get the result, click on this account and now go to related tab. So in contract related list, make sure it is contract. Just click on this blue highlighted number and click on edit. So guys, here in amendment start date, so here you will see the amendment start date. If you scroll down and we are just gonna give it as January 1st of the following month, of the following year, sorry. So it should be January 1st of the following year, like this. And now click on save followed by amend and click on amend again. So guys, here for mobile monitoring, we are gonna change this quantity into 0. So once if it is done, click on add products. So here we are going to choose mobile control center, so which is right over here. So once if it is done, click on select. So guys, now click on save. So guys, now again refresh the tab once. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step now. So guys, if you are getting this error, we are yet to done with one more step over here. We just ignored this. So let's go back and click on edit. So where you left, you just click on edit over there. So that is for amendment code. So here if you scroll down, you will find order checkbox. So it's just right over here. Just check this and click on save. So now go to related tab, and here if you scroll down, you will find this order. So just click on this order number and click on activate, followed by activate, and now click on edit. So here if you scroll down, you will find this contractor checkbox. Just check this and click on save, and now refresh the tab once, and now let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So let's go back and refresh this. So see you all on next video. The remaining final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. Until then, bye bye.